Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to do the fifth module of Microsoft Excel. You can see the title of this project is Cierva Systems Excel Module 5 SAM Project A. If you want me to do this project for you, just feel free to text me on the WhatsApp, and you can also email me and share your files there, and I will respond to you within next few hours. And you just need to share the files over the WhatsApp or the email, and I will complete the assignment and send it to you again, and then you just need to submit it and it will be graded. So it's a very economical services in terms of price. You can hire me around the clock. Heading towards the step before starting, first of all, make sure that you must have these support files as well, because we are going to use this support file in this later stages. Okay, step number 1 is Santiago Andres is an administrative coordinator for Cierva Systems, a leading manufacturer of aerospace products. He is using an Excel workbook to plan the company exhibits at industry trade show and ask you to complete the plan. Okay, so basically this is a scenario that we are given. Go to the trade show worksheet. Santiago asks you to correct the one hyperlink and insert other to provide access to external information. Okay, go to trade show. We are already in the trade show. In cell D4, edit the hyperlink to use Bahru Exhibition Center as a display text. Okay, I'm just copying it. Okay, as a display text in D4. This is the D4. Okay, I will just right click here and navigate to the edit hyperlink. And now here you can see the text to display is there. I will remove it and I will paste what I have just copied. Bahru Exhibition Center. So basically this is the text to display. Now you can see it's changed. So we are done with the step number 1. We have edited the first hyperlink. Moving to step number 2. In cell F6, create a hyperlink to an email address. First of all, we need to locate where is F6. This is F6, and here we have to hyperlink to an email address. Okay, insert a link to the following email address. This is the email address. I am just copying it to make sure that I don't make any spelling errors. Copy. Now to create a link, first of all you need to select that cell where you want to create a link. Right click there, and here you can go to the link option. Now here you have multiple options, like it says link to where you want to link it to. So in this case we are using an email, so we will select the email address, and here I will paste the email address. Next it says use this as the text to display, so I'm again copying it, and here you can see text to display. I will just remove this and I will paste it. Click OK. That's it. Now if you click here, it will navigate to the email address of what we have just copied. I hope you have got it. If you're finding it any difficulty, just text me on the WhatsApp and I will do the assignment for you. It's very economical. Don't worry about the pricing. Moving to step number 3. In cell B10, create a hyperlink to a Word document containing description of the trade shows as follows. Now where is B10? This is B10, and in B10 we have to create a hyperlink to a Word document. Link to the file support details docs. Okay, So here, first of all, right click on the cell where we want to link, click on the link, and here we have to navigate where is that sheet. This is the details sheet. So here is the details sheet. I have clicked it. Now it says use, I have linked it. Next it says use details show description as a text to display. I'm copying it, and text to display is this one. I am just pasting what I have just copied. This is done, and now it says review trade show details as a screen tip. So I'm again just copying it, and here you can see the screen tip. I'm just clicking on the screen tip, and I will just paste that review trade show details. That's it. Now if I click here, you can see a screen tip, and if I click a bit longer, then it will automatically open the Word file. Okay, now we are done with step number 3 as well. Moving to step number 4, that is in cell B11 create a hyperlink to another worksheet. Okay, this is B11 and we have to link this to any other of these worksheet. Got it? Link to cell A1 of the US worksheet of the current workbook. It says link to cell A1 in the US shows worksheet. This is the US shows, and cell A1 should be linked with this one. So I'm just clicking on the B11, click on the link, and here you will click on place in this documents, and here you will find US shows, this one. It is asking us cell reference, it is already A1, so we have linked it. Next it says we haven't linked until we click OK. Okay, keep in mind. Next is use projected expenses as a display text, and copying it. So this is the display text, projected expenses. That's it. Now, okay. Now if you see the magic, if I click here, it will automatically go to the US worksheet and it will be in cell A1 should be selected. So that's the references that we are going to use in this one. Moving to step number 5, that is go to Houston worksheet. Santiago wants you to make the following changes in the 3 trade show expenses worksheet which have the similar structure. Houston is this one. Group the Houston, Las Vegas and Orlando worksheet so you can format them at the same time. So I have to group all of those. For this you have the simplest way, just press the control key and select whichever worksheet you want to group. So now you see these have been grouped. If you select any other sheet, it will be deselected. So make sure you have selected any one of those. In cell B2, enter projected expenses as a worksheet title. I'm just copying it, and B2 is this one, and I'm pasting. Okay, projected expenses, I will type it, no worry. Projected expenses. Now if I click any one of those, all of those have the same structure, and those have been grouped. That's why it has been applied to all the sheets across. In cell B2, apply shading color Aqua Accent 5 lighter 80. B2 is this one. We will apply the shading color. Okay, for this we have to go to this one, Aqua Accent 5. What was that? Lighter 80. This one, Aqua Accent 5 lighter 80. Now you see Las Vegas, Orlando, all those have the same structure and the same formatting applied. Moving to step number 5, point number D. In the range C15 to E15, apply the currency number format with 0 decimal places and a dollar sign as a symbol. C15 to E15. This is C15 is this one, C15 to E15. Yeah, this one. Currency. To apply the formatting, you need to go to the home tab, and here you will, in the number group, you will launch this launcher, and here you will select currency. Now here you will decrease the decimal to 0 and also include a dollar sign. Okay, that's okay, that's it. Now let me see how many steps. It has 15 steps total of 15 steps. Okay, with the Houston, Las Vegas, and Orlando worksheet still grouped, add formulas to the worksheet as follows. In cell C11, enter a formula using some function to calculate the total expenses for both C5 to C10. So here is the C11, equal sign, sum, and I will sum up these values. Now you see Las Vegas has been summed and all of the sheets have been summed up. Fill the range D11 to F11 with the formula in C11. C11, this is the formula. I'm just copying it. I'm selecting the range where I need to paste that formula. Go to the paste option and here select the formulas. In cell C15, enter a formula without using a function to divide the total expenses C11 by C14. Here in C15 we will divide C11 by C14. C11 by C14. That is the total of both plus divided by square footage. It will be the cost of a square foot per inches. Okay. Now fill the range D15 to E15 with the formula in C15 to calculate the cost per square foot for the both 2 and 3. Again, I'm copying it and I will select the range. I will select the range where I want to paste and paste the formulas. Now it says ungroup the worksheets and confirm that all the worksheets contain the formatting and the formulas from step 5 and 6. So if you want to ungroup worksheet, click any one of them. If you click any other sheet, it will automatically ungroup. But you can do it by this way as well. Right click any of the worksheet and you will find ungroup sheets. Now these sheets have been ungrouped. Now if you apply any formatting to one sheet, it will stick to that sheet only. I hope you got it. If you're finding it difficult, just text me. I will definitely do the assignment for you and I will submit it to you within the next few hours and you can submit it and get it graded. Moving to step number 7, that is Santiago asks you to create a copy of the formatted Orlando worksheet as follows to use for the projected expenses for adding the Paris trade show. Create a copy of Orlando worksheet and use Paris as the name of the new worksheet. This is the Orlando worksheet. We have to create a copy of this. Okay, so to create a copy you need to right click that sheet. Here you will find move or copy option. Just click that, and here you will also find create a copy and click OK. Now you see a copy has been created right at the start of this. Move the Paris worksheet so it appears between Orlando and the US. This is the Orlando, this is the US, and it should be in between. Okay, so I will drag it to right there. Yeah, so it is between the Orlando and the US. You can see. You can see the two. It is for the purpose that you can just have an idea that it is a copy. Okay. In cell B3, okay, and Paris has the name of the worksheet, so we will change the name and right click there, go to the rename, and here we will change it to Paris. In cell B3, edit the text to read Paris as the trade show location. Here you can see it should also be Paris. Now it says clear the content of the range C5 to E10. C5 to E10, and we can just clear the content. You can see, you can just press delete also. Now since all of these values and these values were dependent on these values, so if those have been removed, these will automatically be 0. So it is ready for the next CTE calculation. I hope you got it. I think that's it for this video. It's going to be lengthy if I were to complete it. Let me know if you want me to do the next part of it, and I will do it. And if you want me to hire for the you can text me on the WhatsApp for the complete Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, statistics, business analytic, or finance related projects. So do subscribe to my channel and keep watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.